Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about inverse of a square matrix. Define inverse of a square matrix, then to find the inverse of a square matrix based on inverse of a square matrix by solving the problems. Okay. Now, today I am going to deal with most important result, that is in determinant, that is known as matrix method. That is very important concept. They may be asked in final exam, that is 5-mark question. In your question paper, part D, question number 41st, question number 41 belongs to this method, that is matrix method. Now here how to solve? Look here. Now to solve three linear equations, to solve the system of linear equations, linear means power of x should be 1. To solve linear equations, say in general a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to say d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. To solve three linear equations, here power of xyz should be 1. To solve these three linear equations by using the matrices, by using the matrix method, it means to find the values of three unknown values, namely x value, y value, z value. We have to calculate x value, y value, z value. Now here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 are coefficients of x, y, z. So to solve these three linear equations using matrix method, this is general result. Okay, here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 are coefficients of x, y, z. Whereas right side values, namely d1, d2, d3 are constant terms. Now to solve these three linear equations using matrix method, it means to find the values of x value, y value, z value. How to solve? Now here first step, take A is the matrix. Let A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. What are the coefficients of x, y, z? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is A matrix. Okay. Now to find three unknown values, namely x, y, z, these three unknown values denoted by, say, let capital X is equal to x, y, z. Okay. And right side constant terms d1, d2, d3 denoted by capital B is equal to d1, d2, d3. This is first step. Note, ಮೊದಲೇ step ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? Take A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z to find three unknown values denoted by capital X and constant terms denoted by capital B. Therefore, these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B. The above three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. Check it. A into x, this is A matrix, this is x matrix. A into x, multiply those two matrix. How to multiply? Row by column, that is A1x plus B1y plus C1z is equal to corresponding element is D1, first equation. Next, second row by first column, A2x plus B2y plus C2z is equal to D2. Third row by first column, A3x plus B3y plus C3z is equal to D3. Okay. So these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. Now the question, to find three unknown values, namely x, y, z value. ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. These three values denoted by capital X. It means to find the value of capital X. So eliminate capital A. How to eliminate? Since A is non-singular matrix, since the matrix A is non-singular, Non-singular means you know the definition of non-singular, that is determinant of A is not equal to 0. A is non-singular, definition of non-singular, determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then inverse exists or does not exist? Inverse matrix exists. Okay, eliminate A so that A is non-singular matrix by definition of non-singular. Determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists, so that operate on both sides by A inverse. Operate on both sides or multiply equation 1 by A inverse. Because inverse matrix exists, so that operate on both sides by A inverse. Look here, see what happened. A inverse into AX is equal to A inverse into B. Correct? A inverse into AX is equal to A inverse into B. Now by associative property, associative means interchanging the brackets, A inverse into A of X is equal to A inverse into B, because by associative law, associative property. Okay, but you know that A inverse into A is same as A into A inverse is equal to, you know, that is a inverse matrix. Its value is identity matrix I into X is equal to A inverse into B. Implies I into X, I is unit matrix into X matrix, that is equal to X matrix. Capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Therefore, solution is, capital X means 3 values X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is equal to A inverse into B. That is, X is equal to A inverse into B, Y is equal to A inverse into B, Z is equal to A inverse into B. Okay, so first step, take A is the matrix, capital X is the matrix, B is the matrix. These 3 matrices satisfying the equation A into X equal to B. Now to find the value of capital X, since A is non-singular matrix, by definition of non-singular, determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then inverse matrix exists. Now operate on both sides by A inverse. A inverse of AX is equal to A inverse into B. Operate on left side by A inverse on both sides. A inverse of AX equal to A inverse into B. But A inverse of AX by associative law, A inverse into A of X is equal to A inverse into B. But you know that A inverse into A is equal to I into X equal to A inverse into B. I into X, I is the unit matrix, X is any matrix, then unit matrix into any matrix become that X matrix is equal to A inverse into B. But the value of capital X is 3 values X, Y, Z. Therefore, solution is X is equal to A inverse into B, Y is equal to A inverse into B, Z is equal to A inverse into B. Okay. So, this is the method of solving 3 linear equations using matrix method. Okay. This is general. Okay. Now, here for example, now first problem. Problem number 1, solve the equation, linear equation, solve the linear equation, system of linear equation, say 3x minus 2y plus 3z, 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. Second equation, 2x plus y minus z, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. And third equation, 4x minus 3y plus 2z, 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to, that is 4. Using matrix method. Using matrix method. ಈ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is 5 mark. Most important part D question, question number 41. In your question paper, solve the linear equation, system of equations 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4 using matrix method. 5 mark, very simple. Okay, now look here. How to solve? First step, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Take A is the matrix. Let A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? What are the coefficients of x, y, z? 3 minus 2, 3. ಏನಿದೆ? 3 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 3. Then second equation, coefficient of x, y, z, 2, 1, minus 1. Third equation, 4 minus 3, 2. This is A matrix. Then to find 3 values, x, y, z value denoted by capital X is equal to x, y, z. Then constant terms denoted by B is equal to D1, D2, D3. D1 value 8, 1, 4. This is first step. Okay? Therefore, these 3 matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ therefore capital X is equal to, write directly capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Capital X ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? X, Y, Z. Now A inverse into B. You know how to solve A inverse. A inverse ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ A inverse? Now A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. That is the formula. Now first to find determinant of A. Determinant 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. Okay? Then expand it. You know how to expand. Already inverse matrix find out ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So 3 into deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply. 1 into 2, 2, difference, minus sign ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ, difference. Another diagonal multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, plus into minus, minus 3, minus into minus plus 2. Deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply. 2 2s are 4, difference, minus. 4 into another diagonal, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4. Plus 3 into deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus difference, minus 4 into 1, 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 2s are 16, minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 into 3, minus 30. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? So minus 3 plus 16, 13. 13 minus 30, that is minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Correcta? ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? So the determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore A is non-singular matrix. Suppose if A is singular, inverse matrix does not exist, there is no solution for matrix method. Okay? Next, to find adjoint. Definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors, because there are 9 elements. Okay, C11, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is even number positive. 1 1 indicate by deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers, 1 minus 1 minus 3, 2. Expand it, plus the difference of the cross multiply. First you take the principal diagonals, 1 into 2, 2, difference, minus, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಮೊದಲು. Another diagonal multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3, that plus into minus, minus 3, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Next, C12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting first row, second column, 4 elements, 2, minus 1, 4, 2. minus the difference of the cross multiply, 2 2s are 4, difference minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4, that minus into minus plus 4, that is minus 4 plus 4 8. Next C13, C13, 1 plus 3 4, 4 is even number, positive sign. By deleting first row third column 4 elements, 2 1 4 minus 3, plus of the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, difference minus 4 into 1 4, that is minus 10. Next second row C21, 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign. Deleting second row first column 4 elements, minus 2 3, second row first column minus 2 3, minus 3 2. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, minus 4, difference minus, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9, minus 4 plus 9 5, here minus sign, that is minus 5. C22, 2 plus 2 4, 4 is even number, positive sign. Deleting second row second column 4 elements, 3 3 4 2, 3 3 4 2. The difference of the cross multiply, plus of 3 2s are 6, difference minus 4 3s are 12, 6 minus 12 minus 6. Then C23, 2 plus 3 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign. Deleting second row third column, 3 minus 2 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4 minus 3. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, difference minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, that minus into minus plus 8, that is minus 9 plus 8 minus 1, that minus into minus plus 1. This is C23. Next third row C31, next third row C31, 3 plus 1 4, 4 is even number, positive sign. 3 1 means by deleting third row first column 4 elements, minus 2 3, 1 minus 1, minus 2 3, 1 minus 1. Expand. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, difference minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next C32, 3 plus 2 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign. Deleting third row second column 4 elements, 3 3 2 minus 1, 3 3 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Minus of the difference of the cross multiply, minus 3, difference minus 2 3s are 6, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9. Last cofactor C33, plus, because 3 plus 3 6, 6 even number, positive sign. Deleting third row third column ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 numbers ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು, 3 minus 2 2 1, 3 minus 2 2 1, 3 minus 2 2 1. Expand. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 3, difference minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, 3 plus 4 7. Okay. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint ಏನಿದೆ, transpose of the cofactors. C11 first cofactor ಏನಿದೆ, minus 1, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ. C11 first cofactor minus 1, C12 minus 8, then C13 minus 10, C21 minus 5, C22 minus 6, C23 1. Then third row C31 minus 1 9 7, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First row dalliddanಥ elements anna first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ entry ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. -1 -8 -10. Second row dalliddanಥ elements anna second column. -5 -6 1. Third row dalliddanಥ elements third column. -1 9 7. This is adjoint of a square matrix. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, formula 1 divided by determinant of A, but determinant of A value -17 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A value -1, -5, -1, -8, -6, 9, -10, 1, 7. This is A inverse. Therefore, capital X is equal to, formula ಏನಿದೆ, capital X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse value ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So A inverse is 1 by -17 into -1 -5 -1 -8 -6 9 -10 1 7 into B. B ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, B matrix 8 1 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 8 1 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, ಆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 divided by -17 into multiply. How to multiply? Row by column. First row by first column. 1 into -8 -5 into 1 -5 -1 into 4 -4. Take second row by first column. -8 into 8 -64 -6 into 1 -6 9 into 4 plus 36. Third row by first column. -10 into 8 -80 plus 1 into 1 1 7 into 4 28. That is, but the value of capital X. Capital X ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 3 values X, Y, Z is equal to 1 by -17 into -8 -5 -4 -17 -64 -6 -70 -70 plus 36 34. Correct already? Yes. -80 plus 1 -79 plus 28 -51 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. -51 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 29 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ yes. Now X, Y, Z is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by -17 into -17 plus 1, 1 by -17 into -34, 17 ones are 17 twos are, 1 by -17 into -51, 17 threes are. Those matrices are equal matrices. Therefore, corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to 3. So, solve for X, Y, Z using matrix method. X value 1, Y value 2, Z value 3 is the solution. Check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ X ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, 3 into 1 3 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು, minus 2y, y value 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 3z, 3 z value 3, 3 into 3 9 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 9 8 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಇವನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2, ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Problem number 2. Solve the system of linear equation 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. Third equation 3y minus z is equal to 9. Here there is no x term. Ili x illa ille luxury. Using matrix method. 5 mark. Part D question number 41. Okay. Now first step. Take A is the matrix. Let A is a matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. What are the coefficients of x, y, z? 2, 1, 1. Second line, second equation 1, minus 2, minus 1. Third equation, observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x term ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 0. Coefficient of y 3. Here minus 5. Then to find three values x, y, z denoted by capital X. Let capital X is equal to x, y, z. Constant terms denoted by B. Constant terms ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 1, 3 by 2, 9. Okay? Therefore, these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. Therefore, capital X is equal to, write directly, A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse, you know the formula for A inverse. Now A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Right? Now to find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 5. Expand that determinant. That is equal to plus minus plus 2 into deleting first row first column the difference of the cross multiply minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 minus 1 into deleting first row second column 1 into minus 5 minus 5 0 into minus 1 0 plus 1 into deleting first row third column the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 1 into 3 3 minus 0 into minus 2 0 1 10 plus 3 13 2s are 26 then minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 plus 3 how much 26 plus 5 31 plus 3 34 which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular inverse matrix exists. Next, to find adjoint. Definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Because there are 9 elements, so that to find 9 cofactors, C11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is even number positive sign. Now, by deleting first row, first column, 4 numbers, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 5. Expand it. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10, difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, that is 13. C12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting first row second column 1 minus 1 0 minus 5 1 minus 1 0 minus 5. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals 1 into minus 5 difference minus 0 into minus 1 0 minus into minus plus 5. C13 plus 1 plus 3 4 even number positive sign, deleting first to third column 4 numbers 1 minus 2 0 3 1 minus 2 0 3 plus the difference of the cross multiply 1 into 3 3 difference minus 0 into minus 2 0 that is plus 3. Okay, first row over. Then take second row. C21, 2 plus 1 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row first column 1 1 3 minus 5 1 1 3 minus 5 minus the difference of the cross multiply. First you take the principal diagonals minus 5 minus 3 that is totally 8. C22, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, deleting second row, second column, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 10, minus 0, that is minus 10. C23 minus deleting second row, third column. Second row, third column. 4 numbers, 2, 1, 0, 3. 2, 1, 0, 3. Minus the difference of the cross multiply. 2, 3s are 6. Minus 1 into 0, 0. That is minus 6. C31 plus deleting third row, first column. Third row, first column. 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. Plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 1, difference, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2, that is plus 1. C32 minus, because 3 plus 2, 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign, deleting third row, second column. Third row, second column, we get 2, 1, 1, minus 1. First row 2, 1, second row 1, minus 1. Expand it, the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. That is minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, that minus into minus, plus 3. Last cofactor C33, 3 plus 3 plus 6, 6 is positive number, even number, that is positive sign, deleting third row, third column, 4 numbers, 2, 1, 1, minus 2. 2, 1, 1, minus 2. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, difference minus 1, that is minus 5. All cofactors, therefore adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. First cofactor 13, second cofactor 5, then 3. Second row 8, minus 10, minus 6. Third row 1, 3, minus 5. It's a transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. 13, 5, 3. Second column 8, minus 10, minus 6. Third column 1, 3, minus 5. This is adjoint. Then to find the inverse. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, formula 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 34 into adjoint of A. Yesterday 13, 8, 1, 5, minus 10, 3, 3, minus 6, minus 5. Okay. Then capital X is equal to A inverse 1 by 34 into 13, 8, 1, 5, minus 10, 3, 3, minus 6, minus 5. Capital X is equal to A inverse into B. This is A inverse B. B matrix ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 1, 3 by 2, 9. Okay. That is 1 by 34 into multiplication of those two matrices. How to multiply? Row by column. 13 into 1, 13, plus 8 into 3 by 2. 8 into 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. 4 3s are 12. Correct? 1 into 9 plus 9. Second row by first column. 5 into 1, 5. Minus 10 into 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 9, 27. Third row by first column. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 6 into 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 3s are 9. Minus 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Okay. That is 1 by 34 into 13 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 9, 34. 5 minus 15, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 27, 17. 3 minus 9 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 45 minus 51. But the value of capital X, X, Y, Z is equal to multiply 1 by 34 into 34 1 by 34 into 17 17 ones are 17 twos are, that is 1 by 2 1 by 34 into minus 51 17 threes are 17 twos are minus 3 by 2. Clearly those two matrices having same order are said to be equal, therefore corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 by 2, Z is equal to minus 3 by 2. So solve for x, y, z. X value 1, y value 1 by 2, z value minus 3 by 2. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಪ್ಲಸ್ z, ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ 2 x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಹೌದಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 3 by 2. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 plus 1 minus 3, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 3 2, divide by 2, 2 2 cancel 1. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 by 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೇನ್ ಏನು ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? 1 by ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Solve the system of linear equation x minus y plus 2z is equal to 7, 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to minus 5, and 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 12 using matrix method. Okay, now here first step, take A is the matrix. Let A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z. 1 minus 1 2, second line 3 4 minus 5, third line 2 minus 1 3. Then to find 3 unknown values denoted by capital X is equal to x, y, z. Constant terms B is equal to constant value 7 minus 5 12. Okay, therefore these three matrices satisfying the equation A into x is equal to B. This implies capital X is equal to A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse. Now A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A. Determinant A matrix ಏನಿದೆ 1 minus 1 2, 3 4 minus 5, 2 minus 1 3. Expand that determinant. 1 into deleting first row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply 4 3s are 12, difference minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 plus into minus 5 minus into minus plus 1, deleting first row second column 3 3s are 9, difference minus 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus into minus plus 10 plus 2 into deleting first row third column 3 into minus 1 minus 3, difference 2 into 4 8, that is 12 minus 5 7, 9 plus 10 19, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 2s are 22. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 19 minus 22 minus 3 plus 7 4, which is not equal to 0. Therefore the given matrix is non-singular. If it is non-singular, inverse matrix exists. Next, to find the cofactors. So how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Now to find 1 by 1 cofactor, C11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row, first column, 4 elements, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, minus 1, 3. First row, first column, okay. Then expand it, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 4 3s are 12, difference minus, minus 1 into minus 5 plus into minus, minus 5, that is 7. C12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is odd number, negative sign, deleting first row, second column, 3 minus 5, 2, 3. 3 minus 5, 2, 3. Minus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 3s are 9, difference minus 2 into minus 5 minus 10, minus into minus plus 10, that is minus 19. C13 plus the difference of, that is deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 3 4, 2 minus 1, 3 4, 2 minus 1, plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 3, difference minus 2 4s are 8, that is minus 11. Okay. Next, C21, second row, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row, first column, minus 1 2, minus 1 3, minus 1 2, minus 1 3, minus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 3, difference minus, minus 1 into 2, minus into minus plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Then C22, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, by deleting second row, second column, second row, second column, second row, second column, 1 2, 2 3, 1 2, 2 3. Expand it, the difference of the cross multiply, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. C23, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row, third column, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, minus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 1, difference minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, that is minus 1. Third row, C31, plus deleting third row, first column, 4 numbers, minus 1 2, 4 minus 5, minus 1 2, 4 minus 5, plus the difference of the cross multiply, plus 5, difference minus, 4 2s are 8, that is minus 3. C32, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 is odd number, minus sign, deleting third row, second column, 1 2, 3 minus 5, 1 2, 3 minus 5, minus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 5, difference minus, 3 2s are 6, that is 11. C33, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 is even number, positive sign, right? Then deleting third row, third column, 1 minus 1, 3 4, 1 minus 1, 3 4. The difference of the cross multiply, 4, difference minus, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, that is 7. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. First cofactor, 7 minus 19 minus 11, 1, C22 minus 1, C23 minus 1, C31 minus 3, C32 11, then C33 7, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. In first two elements are 7 minus 19 minus 11, write in first column. Second row 1 minus 1 minus 1, write in second column. Third row minus 3 11 7, write in third column. Minus 3 11 7. This is adjoint. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, formula 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 4 into adjoint of A. Adjoint is 7 minus 1 minus 3 minus 19 minus 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 7. This is A inverse. Therefore, x is equal to capital X is equal to A inverse. A inverse value 1 by 4 into 7 1 minus 3 minus 19 minus 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 7 into B. B matrix ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 7 minus 5 12. Correcta? That is 1 by 4 into multiply row by column. 7 into 7 49, 1 into minus 5 minus 3 into 12 minus 36. Correct? Second row by first column, 19 7s are 7 9s are 63 1 6, that is minus 113, sorry 133. Correct? 63 6, okay. Minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5, 11 into 12, 11 2s are 22 2, 11 are 11 plus 2, 30, that is 132. Third row by first column, minus 77 plus 5, 12 7s are 84, that is 1 by 4 into 49 minus 5 44, 44 ದಲ್ಲಿ 36 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 44 ದಲ್ಲಿ 36 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 12. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 44 minus 36, that is 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾರಿ, that is 8. 133 plus 132 minus 1 plus 5 4, then minus 77 plus 5 or 84 plus 5 89 minus 77 2, that is 12. But capital X value x y z is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by 4 into 8 2, 4 1s are 4 2s are, 1 by 4 into 4, 4 1s are 4 1s are 4, that is 1. 1 by 4 into 12, 4 1s are 4 3s are. Clearly these two matrices having same order are said to be equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Okay, ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ then to solve some more problems in next class. Okay students, thank you.